My dear friends, best wishes to all, brother, sister, friends, all viewers, all the best wishes to everybody. Today I will discuss one more mudra. It this mudra is for diabetes. Nowadays, diabetes is very big problem across the globe. It is 25% or more than 25% people are suffering with this disease, and lot of money is going to be wasted for rectifying this disease. But I would like to suggest this technique is really ancient but very good technique nowadays, and it is free of cost. First of all, I will try to explain why diabetes is occurring in our organ called pancreas. If pancreas are not producing beta cell, and beta cell will not able to produce adequate insulin. What is the purpose of insulin? Insulin which control the glucose in the body. If production of insulin is decreased, then quantity of glucose in blood will increase. And if at empty stomach 140 mg per dl, it means diabetic is there in that blood sample. And after eating food, if it is more than 200 mg per dl, then it indicates diabetes is there in that blood, and that person whose blood is under checking. Diabetes is are two types. One is type 1, insulin absent. Type 2, insulin resistance. In this way, diabetes has been divided in two parts, and ultimate production is not high by the beta cell, then this disease will occur in blood, and due to this disease many other diseases will appear in our body, just like cataracts, gallbladder, and in every organ there may be some fault due to diabetes. So diabetic patient should take more and more care. Number one, he should have control over his diet. Number two, he has to do maximum work every day. He has to do maximum work every day. Then only he can be saved by this disease. These are the points he has to kept in mind, but mudras are there. He has to perform every day regularly all this mudra which I want to suggest right now and uploading in this video. If he will perform this mudra and diabetes control on food, diet, etc., then he will come out from this disease and he will be normal. What to do? Number one is Surya Mudra. Person has to do in this way. This is our ring finger. Ring finger has to pressed by thumb in the both the hands. He has to do and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. And he can sit in this posture. Either he can sit in palang, or he can sit in chair, or he can sit on earth and he has to perform the Sukhasan, Siddhasan, Padmasan, lotus posture. Any posture he can use, whatever comfortably he can do, let him do it. Next is this Pran Mudra. You see, these my two finger, little finger, baby finger, and ring finger and thumb. All three has to join in this way. This is called Pran Mudra. For 10 minutes he has to do this thing like this. Okay, have you seen? Have you noted in your mind? Two mudras are over. Third. Now, see, this is called Apan Mudra. All this mudra working at the this chakra, root chakra. Root chakra is one of the important, and this organ, pancreas, is located in the region of root chakra. But root chakra and sacral chakra and solar plex chakra, these three chakras are important. By all these mudras, these chakras organ will become to the normal functioning, and normal functioning is required. If you will do these three mudra, functioning will be normal. And one more important mudra is, this mudra is called diabetic mudra. All these three mudra and diet control, 4-5 points I have elaborated, three mudras and few points. Number fourth is, we have to sit in Vajrasan. Vajrasan means namaz pose. Namaz pose means Muslims people, whenever they perform namaz, they sit in this way. Okay? Now you have to close your feet in this way. Put this feet near the navel and release your exhale, your breathe, and come down like this. After half minute, come up and take in your breathe slowly, gradually. Again you can do. While you coming up, take breathe in. While you coming down, take out the breathe. You have to do this thing, this action at least 10 to 15 times. This is one set. And perform 3 sets or 15 minutes, 20 minutes you do this mudra. In this way you do and perform this mudra. Sit in the Vajrasan, close your feet, put here on near navel and up down and take the care of breathe whatever manner I explained. Next point is for diabetes control. Diabetes control, you minimum move or walk at least 3 to 4 kilometer every day. Early in the morning, you do it for 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer like that. A movement is there. It will cure. Your maximum cure is by mudra and by this walking. Last point is very important. That point, you have to adjust your neurocell, and you should affirm that I am okay, I have no diabetes, my receptors are very good and they are functioning normally. This is these are the few points you have to keep in your mind Repeat these points several times before sleep. You do all these points and do it in your life. This you will be free from diabetes. Rest is okay. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you to all the viewers.